This is November 1st, 2018. Address 5285 and a half, State Route 721. Bob Reck is my landlord. We have to deal with his son Alex for paying the rent and reporting any maintenance problems. My beautiful Philip Clark texted him yesterday about the leaking window. This is actually part what I saw yesterday, where you see all this mud and dirt tracks down the wall. That's part from yesterday, and actually today too. As you can see in the windowsill, where there's actually water standing in the windowsill. You can see the water in this side. And this is the window that was just replaced. That was a broken window. And that's the wall that they replaced because it was rotten. That's the wall area, I should say. The remainder of the wall needs to be replaced, which we have texted about several times. And just to show you how close this is to an electric outlet, right there is the electric outlet where my cell phone is cord is plugged in, and right there's the window. So right there, probably a little over, I don't know, not even probably 2 feet from each other. So, and it's getting it all nice and wet down there. Just documenting this again. It's November 1st. The address is 5285 and a half, Bradford, Ohio, 45308. And my landlord owner is Bob Reck. And the person that is supposed to be responsible for handling all the maintenance is his son Alex, who, as far as I know, has not texted Philip Lee Clark back from his text last night, letting him know that the window was leaking and it's leaking into our home. As a matter of fact, can y'all see that? It's actually literally just running into the carpet. The carpet is wet. Just to give you all an idea. Always that way. The carpet is wet. It's wet all the way back here. In this area. I'm sure it's wet all the way down there. I haven't checked it because I've been trying to get things done, but let me see exactly where the wetness ends. We just are running out of places to put things because the water's getting everywhere, so you'll have to excuse that. Wet. You can see the moisture there. Moisture, 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 moisture. Lord have mercy, there's moisture all the way under the plug. This is not safe, people. Not safe at all. I think I'll be taking my plug out of the wall. Hope to be hearing from Mr. Alex Reck soon. Yep, this cannot wait. Whole wall. From there, all the way down there to the back bedroom. All of the windows are leaking. Whole wall's rotten. Windows are no good. See? Dirt. Wet. This is not condensation, guys. It's freezing. It's not freezing, but it's pretty cold in here. But this is actually from the rain. Check that out. See those water driplets up there? That's from the rain outside. Let's go on down the hallway. Check out the water driplets inside of the window. As I said, raining outside. Moisture getting in the window. Right there. Let's go on down to the bedroom. Check out that window. Matter of fact, we'll check out all the windows. Yep. Water driplets in the window. Please forgive the filthy window bottom there, but don't see actually in the bottom seal, but there's water leakage around this part of the window. on the inside there. You can see that, the moisture. Up on the top, you can see where the rain's coming in there. Yep, so there's that window in the bedroom. Let's go on down here to the windows on the edge here, or on the end of the building. See how they're holding up. Now these are protected by the trees, but as you can see, there's water driplets there. Water driplets there. Anything up here? Oh, hello there, little spider. We keep cleaning these spider webs up, and we just keep getting more and more and more of them. I don't see any moisture or condensation on the tops of these walls, or of these windows, I mean. I do see some right in there. Yep. You see that? That moisture? That's water in there where it's leaking around those parts of the window. See the water droplets there? Okay, let's check the other window here on the other end of the bed. So we already got that window where we have a little curtain hanging there. Yep, you could see water right along in there. There's a water driplet. Water driplet. Nothing in the window frame that I see there. There's water there. Yeah, there's water all along there. Don't see anything in the top, so that's good. Let's go over here and check the kitchen window and the other living room windows. See how they're doing. And, oh, the bathroom window. We got to check that. Bathroom window has some water on the inside of it right there. It's got water dripping from the top, as you can see. Yeah, that one's dripping in from the rain outside. Yep, that's dripping in. I think probably the only window that's not, nope. The door window is leaking in, and you can see the streams of water all the way down the door. This is our little secondary door, the one that when I was moving in, I told them they needed to unlock it and to replace it, and all they did was take the caulking off and unseal the door that way. Let's check this bedroom's window. This is actually like a storage room right now, but yeah, I see some water up there, droplets, rain coming in this window. So we got that bedroom. Now we're going to check Isaiah's bedroom. See how that's going for the water. Yep, rain at the top of the window. See what's going on at the bottom. We got water in the middle, as you can see. I don't per se see any moisture in the bottom, so top and middle on the wall in Isaiah's room. Let's check the kitchen. We'll check the other kitchen window now. This one was in horrible, dilapidated shape when I moved in and hasn't had any work done to it. Yep. Water droplets along the bottom. You can see the water droplets in the middle. And lots of rain coming in at the top. So there's that kitchen window. And let's do the other living room windows. We have some condensation on that middle part. I don't see any water there. I see just condensation, nothing in the major of that window. And water droplets. Let's check this window here that's to the side of it. Yep, still got that water there. Had that this morning. It's mostly getting water in right there, if you can see that. And this window, which I've reported several times having the rotten spot, as you can see. I don't see, well, yeah, I do see. I see water coming in the top of it, right there. Okay, so we got one window in the mobile home that is not leaking right now in the rain. This is November 1st, 2018. The address is 5285 and a half, State Route 721, Bradford, Ohio, 45308. My landlord is Bob Reck, and his son, Alex Reck, is the one that I have to contact, and Philip has to contact for the maintenance. Contacted him yesterday evening about that window right there leaking, and as far as I know, they still have not got back with my Philip. Just putting it out there. Thank you.